Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
And before we start our discussion, please stand and Maria, can you lead the prayer? Let's sit down. If I call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Marian Cantoria.
Present, Mom.
Bantishela Kela Marie.
Present po.
Spinelia Laika.
Present po.
Okay. Before we proceed to our next tackle, so let's review. Do you remember our topic yesterday?
Yes, Mom.
What is all about? Mariel, do you remember?
It is all about human reproductive system.
Very good. It is all about the human reproductive system. It includes the female and male reproductive system. So now, because you already know, before we proceed to our new topic, let's do some exercises. So, class, can you stand? Oh my God. I think you don't have an energy. So, our exercises for today is all about stretching or the jumping jump to know the pulse or the heart rate. So, it's counting. So, stretching. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have an energy. Then jumping jump. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Then okay, please sit down. Class, after doing activity, what is your feeling? Miss Hannah?
I feel tired, Mom.
Okay. Let's move on and proceed to the next topic, which is the circulatory system. The circulatory system is one of the most important systems in the human body. So remember that circulatory is very important to our body. So it consists the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. So you always remember that, class, huh? Then one of the function of the three consists is the blood vessels. So who can read the blood vessels? Miss Kella?
So blood vessels are the vast networks of small tubes that carry blood throughout the body. Yep.
Thank you. So blood vessels. In the blood vessel, it has three types of blood vessel, which is the veins, arteries, and capillaries. This is the veins, capillaries, and the artery. So the function of the veins, is carry the oxygenated blood back to the heart. So look at the picture. Always remember this is the vein. So another types of blood vessel, which is the arteries. So Maris, can you read the meaning?
Are the blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart.
Yes, very good. So this is the artery. Look at the artery. Yun. And another types of blood vessel, which is the capillaries. Mariel, can you read?
Capillaries, smallest blood vessels which serve as a connection between arteries and veins.
Okay, this is the capillaries. Okay. So that is the type of blood vessel. The veins, arteries, and capillaries. Now let's move on. And another part of circulatory system, which is the blood. This is the picture of blood. So blood is the liquid part that is constantly flowing throughout the body. So we call red blood cell. So I think you know what is with blood cells. You can encounter that, So, it is also known as the Sari-sari that transport gases to the cells. And another is the white blood cells. So, leukocytes play a vital role in the body's immune system. They fight blood bacteria, viruses, and others that cause infection. So, they can fight the bacteria and viruses. And last is the platelets or the thrombocytes. They are the smallest form components of blood that help in blood clotting. So always remember that class because I think tomorrow we can have a quizzes or I think later. So another is the two types of blood circulation. The two types blood of circulation is the pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. So class, what is the two types of blood circulation?
The pulmonary circulation and the systematic circulation.
Okay, so who can read the meaning of pulmonary circulation? Kayla?
Pulmonary circulation is the movement of the deoxygenated blood from the heart and into the lungs.
Okay, thank you. So, this is the movement of the oxygenated blood from the heart and into the lungs. And the second type is the systematic circulation. It's the movement of oxygenated blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. So always remember that pulmonary circulation is deoxygenated and systematic circulation is oxygenated. Always remember that class. And the three parts or the last part of circulatory system, which is the heart. Do you have a heart?
Yes.
Yes, we live because we have a heart. It's also known as the pumping organ of the body. So, pump. It keeps the blood moving throughout the body and the average heartbeat of human is 60 to 100 times per minute. Okay, class. This is the heart and has four chambers, the left and right atrium. So the left and right atrium is responsible for receiving this blood coming from all parts of the body. So if you see the picture, this is the left atrium and this is the right atrium. So another is the left and right ventricles, known as the pumping chambers. So this is the left ventricles and this is the right ventricles. So what is the four chambers of heart, class?
Left and right atrium and left and right ventricles.
Okay. Then another is the valves. Valves or the valves is the overlapping tissue that allows blood to flow in one direction. So it can flow in one direction. The right side of the heart, blood enters the heart through two large veins, the inferior and the superior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava or cava. And the inferior in the down. And the last is the ventricle contracts. Blood leaves the heart through the pulmonic valve into the pulmonary into the lungs where it is oxygenated. So that's all, class, the parts of circulatory system. So do you understand?
Yes.
If you have anything question, raise your hand and I will answer that. So if not, I will give a bit question if you understand. So what is the three types of blood vessels? What is the three types of blood vessels?
Veins, arteries, capillaries.
Okay, very good. The veins, arteries, and capillaries. Okay, another. What is the two types of blood circulations? Miss Kayla?
So the two types of blood circulation is the pulmonary circulation and the systematic circulation.
Okay, very good. So, because do you understand my discussion, I will give you 5 minutes to review because I think I will give a quizzes, short quizzes. Ready class for the short quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I will read the question and choose the correct answer or write only the letter. So, number 1. Overlapping issues that allows blood to flow in one direction. Letter A, heart, blood. C, blood vessel. Pulmonary circulation. E, systematic circulation, or the valves or valves. Number 2. Are the vast networks of small tubes that carry blood throughout the body. Number 3. Known as the pumping organs of the body. Pumping organs. Number 4 is the movement of oxygenated blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Movement, oxygenated. Number 5 is the liquid part that is constantly flowing throughout the body. You can choose either heart, blood vessel, pulmonary circulation, or systematic circulation. Or what? Okay, number 6 is the movement of deoxygenated blood from the heart into the lungs. Okay, test 2, enumerations. 1 to 3. What is the 3 types of blood vessels? Okay, what is the 3 types of blood vessels? 3 types of blood vessels. Four and 5. Give the 2 types of blood circulation. So give the 2 types of blood circulation. 6 to 8. The circulatory system consists of 3. What is it? The circulatory system consists of 3. What is it? Okay, class, are you done? Yes. If you are done, please exchange your paper to your seatmate. And here are the answers to the following question. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Who get the high score? Really? So very good. Excellent. Now thank you for the cooperation and because you have a lot of learnings that you learned today. But before you leave, I have an assignment. So this is the assignment and please answer it. Can you copy that class?